Alright, I got something special for you. This just came in. It's it's been buggered with. Looks like some kid maybe or some bored clerk took a lead pencil. I say it's lead because look how shiny it is. I don't think it's graphite. But a lead pencil and kind of wrote on this here. Collected New York Motor Boat Show, January 22nd to the 30th, 1926. So they wrote over the faint ink stamp there, and they got bored and started coloring in the rope on the Edison, and it looks like the dot over the I. So Edison Batteries Afloat. Never seen this before, and probably you haven't either. File copy, patent library. Something Detroit. AMA. Year 1926. Code and box. Anyway, there's a boat there, a ship. Anyway, for people that know about ships and research and stuff, there's plenty for you to check out here. Here's the Warrior. So they're going to be showing ships and boats and things, but they're also going to be listing what batteries, what cells it has. So this is 100 A12 Edison cells. Okay. Now for fans of my research here and others research, that you may not know what that is, or you may know what that is. But I'll try to, as my channel gets stronger and I get more revenue and things coming in, I'll be able to make better videos and explain things better. Right now I'm just doing this real quick. I gotta head out. I'm one of those essential workers. Edison steel alkaline storage batteries in marine use. Built like a watch, rugged as a battleship. Edison Storage Battery Company, Orange, New Jersey. Marine Distributors, Central Atlantic States. Smith Meeker Engineering Company, 123 Liberty Street, New York City. So there's some things for you to check out. Go look on Google Earth or whatever to see where that was. So that was a Goodwill. So I'm just gonna go through this quick. You can pause it where you need to. Here's a Juanita. I'm just gonna go through this quick so you can pause it when you need to, because I really gotta get going. And the way I've been doing it, because of my time problems, is I make a video. I just got a new super SD card for this old Samsung S3. Yeah, 64 gigabit SanDisk. It's one of the gold ones. So I should be able to make longer videos with higher resolution. But the problem with that is it takes hours and hours and hours and hours to load one up. So I can kind of load one up and then head to my job, to my essential employment, and then somewhere it'll finish uploading while I'm still at my essential employment. And then whatever happens. It usually doesn't have a very good image on it. Some randomness. Houseboats. So this is some good hidden history that's hard to find. I'm happy to help you. I used to be in the U.S. Navy. I did it for 5 years. So I'm not totally impartial to nautical things. Used to be a electronics technician, petty officer. So I haven't even had a chance to read this myself. I just got this in, and I even jumped on it too quick. I should have let it sit around for a while because of the bug. Here's a good graph table. I'll zoom in a little bit. So that's a visual, and that's the mathematical specifications. Now I have some A4H's. That's the A4 cell with the higher capacity for electrolyte. It's a little higher. It's a little higher up. It's supposed to have the same specifications though. Let me zoom in a little bit on here. It's a little harder to see this little small red writing. Oh, the zoom is not working. I'm sorry. It doesn't pick it up. So I'll just read that to you. Oh, there it goes. One wire from relay, circuit insulated from filler nozzle. One wire from relay grounded on filler nozzle. And that's the filler handle. So that's talking about the automatic filler. So adding water, distilled water to Edison batteries is a major chore, and so they made an auto filler, which I have not been able to find because I haven't been looking very hard. But it would fill up to the the required level, and then you'd hear a little ding, and you'd be done. And that would probably be pretty important to do, or to have, if you had to. Because I'm noticing you're gonna have, if you're gonna do Edison batteries, whether distilled water is what you're gonna need. But whether you do Edison batteries or nickel iron or nickel cadmium, you're going to have to know how to distill your water, and that's a whole other ball game. And so there you go. That is Edison Batteries Afloat. And I hope this is a good video. I'm gonna go ahead and upload it, and we'll go from there. Well, thank you, and if you like this sort of content, make sure that you subscribe and you like and look at my Patreon and all that, because so support me directly other ways. But I'll tell you the truth, I don't expect anything from anyone, because I have 2,400 subscribers, and a couple have sent me things which I appreciate, but everybody's broke right now. Everybody's broke, and that's okay. So I do this for fun and education, and hopefully it helps. So don't worry about all that. Thank you so much.